Hi, my name is Ben Richards, Director of Aura Architecture. We're really happy to have received our award from Build magazine. We actually won 2 awards. One of them was for the most trusted architecture firm in Greater London, which is testament to the team's hard work in customer service and the expert advice that we give. The other one is for a project we recently finished in Wimbledon. It looks fantastic. There's images on the website. Please go ahead and take a look. Our clients are really happy with it. It's an amazing 5-bedroom family home, and we won the award for Best South West London Small Scale Home Transformation and Extension Project. We'd love to build on the success of this award and design your next award-winning home. So please get in touch at www.aurahomes.co.uk. We'd love to help create your ideal home.